Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Jeep Gladiator. Lifting your Gladiator enhances its off-road capability and appearance. You can choose from several types of lifts, including leveling kits, which typically add 1 to 2 inches to the front. Coil spring lifts provide 2 to 4 inches of overall height, while advanced coilover systems can achieve 4 to 6 inches, perfect for serious trail adventures. Each option offers distinct advantages for your driving needs. Understanding the components of a lift kit is crucial. Most kits include new shocks and springs, which are essential for achieving your desired lift height. Extended control arms help maintain correct axle alignment and geometry, preventing handling issues. Track bars are also vital for keeping your axles centered under the vehicle. Additionally, brake line extensions ensure your braking system functions safely with the increased suspension travel. When installing your lift, safety is paramount. Always use jack stands and the correct tools. After installation, a professional alignment is absolutely critical to ensure proper handling and tire wear. You might also consider upgrading to larger tires and wheels to fully utilize your new ground clearance and enhance your Gladiator's aggressive stance. Always double-check that all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. After your lift is installed, it is important to retorque all suspension bolts after driving approximately 100 miles to ensure everything remains secure. You will immediately notice the benefits, including significantly improved ground clearance for tackling challenging off-road trails. Your Gladiator will also have a more commanding presence and enhanced aesthetics. Just be aware that the ride quality might feel slightly different with the new suspension setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.